Here we go, kid. Tour of room 101 at the Springhill Suites in Idaho Falls, Idaho. Let's take a tour. So start off here on the right. We have an adjoining room door. We do have this one. I have it turned to deadbolt. We don't need that. We do have a fancy little ice bucket here with the bag. And we have a microwave and a mini fridge. There is not a freezer option here. We will go on into the sitting area here with the desk. Excuse me. We have some outlets over here, outlets over here. Also the USB outlets right there as well. Right here, another set of outlets for the TV. So the TV does have the internet TV options, as well as the outlets for you to bring the Roku sticks or the Fire sticks and what have you. So each of the queen beds here does have its own little reading light. There are, which you'll notice here though, for me, no outlets over on this side. When we look over on this side, we do have some outlets here in the middle, but they look like they're all taken up back there. But we do have some more right here. So plenty of outlets in the middle area, just nothing on the outsides. So we do have a good sized closet though. Plenty of space to walk in here. Its own light switch. There we go. Light did come on. But plenty of hangers. Ironing board. Let's go on into the bathroom. In the bathroom here we have makeup remover and the standard Paul Mitchell toiletries. Shower. So no tub. Shower is in pretty decent shape. Couple cosmetic issues there, but not a big deal. Pretty good space there. And then we do have toilet. We have towels. We also have the hair dryer there. No extra toilet paper or tissues though in this one. We do have the sliding door as well as with a lock. So you're staying with your family, it's good to have that lock there. And then, we do have the thermostat over here controlled on the wall. And then a unique feature to the Springhill Suites, if I can move this out of the way here, is that the sleeper sofas are a trundle bed. So I'm not going to fold this all the way out, but we do have a trundle bed. So the couch itself looks frankly kind of dirty. I don't know if I'd recommend sleeping on that, but they do have the trundle bed. So this one does sleep 5 on the mattresses if you did 2 on each queen, as well as 1 on the trundle bed. But then you could do technically 6, but after college, I wouldn't recommend any of that. And I do want to say here for the little COVID preparations, they did leave a wipe so that you could clean off the remote as well as the countertops and whatnot. We came with our own, but yeah, I thought I'd throw that out there as this was the first place that we have been that they've had that option. So there you have it, Springhill Suites, Idaho Falls, Iowa. Until next time.